In today's video, I'll show you how to change a photo background in Canva quickly and easily. This is perfect for sprucing up images for social media, presentations, or any project. Start by opening your image in Canva and click on it to select it. This brings up the editing toolbar where all your tools live. Next, look for the background remover. This is part of Canva Pro. Click it and Canva will remove your background in seconds, leaving a clean, transparent space. Now for the fun part, adding a new background. Go to the Elements tab in the side panel and search for background. Browse through nature scenes, abstract patterns, or any design you like. Click on your chosen background, drag it onto your canvas, and then right-click to select Set Image as background. This places it neatly behind your main photo. Finally, adjust the positioning or size as needed and preview your design. Make any tweaks to ensure everything looks perfect. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've transformed your photo with a fresh new background. Experiment with different styles and backgrounds to bring your images to life.